there! Today I'll show you how I clean and organize my toddler's toys. This is where my toddler keeps his toys. So this is our living room. You see that's the TV. We have a little working table there from IKEA. And this is where all his toys are, or most of his toys are. There we have also like a reading station, our reading station, and his reading station. So here is where we get all the balls and all the stuffed animals or plush toys and all his books. So my goal today is to declutter some of this. As you can tell, I need to do that. And also clean the shelves and just make sure that, you know, whatever we need to put away, it's put away. Also, if we're keeping some toys for hopefully future children of ours that we really want to keep, we're going to keep those in storage, or what are we going to give away, or what are we also putting away just for a little while, maybe some months, until he gets interested again. We have family coming over soon, and we know this is gonna grow a little bit, so we need to get ready for that.
The first thing we'll do is to take everything out from the shelves and put them where we can see them on a flat surface. It can be the floor, and that way we'll have a better idea of what we have and how we can sort it.
Okay, this is how it looks like. I just took everything out, and here it is. Don't mind the bag full of wood. Look at that, you guys. That's a lot of toys. When you see it like that, oh my goodness, that's way more than we need, way more than he needs, or that he can enjoy. I'm a pretty minimal mom because that's the only space that he has allowed to put toys. So, you know, he doesn't have toys in his room or anywhere else. This is it. This is it. I love the baskets. These have always been great for organizational purposes. But the fact that the plush toys are getting over the basket that we have for them means that there's just too many.
I'll start by cleaning the shelves with the all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber cloth. After I clean the shelves, I will vacuum the floor there with my V10. I'll link it down below if you want to check it out. And just making sure that everything's clean before I put the shelf back.
Okay, so that's clean. And I also vacuum and dust and everything, this part under that, and the bookshelves as well. Right, let's tackle this. Whoa. Okay, one of the advice is to start with what you know indeed you're going to keep. So that will be easier. So for example, this I know I'm still going to keep for a while, okay? He's still using it, so I'm gonna wipe it down and I'm gonna put it away over here, and then I can define where it goes. I don't have to do that now, but I'm gonna be choosing what I have the certainty that I'm gonna keep. Then I'm gonna move to I don't knows, and then I'm gonna move to definitely not. And I'm gonna be making piles, and you'll see that. But always start with what you know you're gonna keep. That will be easier, and then you'll feel that you can accomplish more. Here I have some plastic boxes. You can use baskets or anything you have in your house. One would be for donation, and one would be to put away for later or for new babies. And then the rest I'll keep, and what is trash I'll put in the trash right away.
is a little suitcase where we keep our puzzles, and the way we keep them is that we put them in Ziploc bags so there are no pieces everywhere.
I'm done sorting. So some things we're gonna keep. For example, that teddy bear is brand new, is the Build-A-Bear brand, and he still doesn't know what that is. So we're gonna keep that for the future. These are some we're going to keep. Yeah, this is for the future, this is for donation. These we're gonna keep. That we're gonna keep, like you see I kept the shovel and the little broom, and these he's too young to use them, so I'm gonna put them away and bring them again when he's 2.5. Maybe it will be easier for him. And those books right there, they were in his toys, but they're not toys, they're specific books for when we go out to eat and stuff, so I have to put them in the closet where they belong.
The time when we were young and wild and free. Do you remember that life we had together? We can fall in love, and we can fall in love, and we can fall in love again, again. And we can fall in love, and we can fall in love, and we can fall in love again, again.
That I am struggling to depart from. It just has some history with us, and it's this baby Einstein toy. He loved it, and we have it in the music box. So I'm gonna take it today to pick him up at school and see if he still likes it. Otherwise, even though I would like to keep it for a new baby, I know a couple of babies that would love to play with this right now. So we'll see. Okay, so this is how this looks like. Way better, you can tell. Only the stuffed animals that fit in there. The balls. Here are the books. We left, like I tell you, we take these often out, so I don't really bother to precisely organize everything, because I just need them to be neatly and to know that we're using them all. And here's the big ball that he likes to play with, the shovel and the broom, and this is how this looks like. So he loves his baby Jack, and he's still playing with this, so I'm not gonna take it out. But now this has become a more important thing for him, so we're we're keeping that Play-Doh in a more important place. Of course, his Paw Patrols. And this is something that I only use. Like, Mama is the one that opens this box. And we have some flashcards and puzzles, but are like more learning stuff. And here is, he always asks for help when he wants to do the animal puzzles. Here we have the random toys. Then we have these that he likes now that are like magnetic, sort of fishing type of games. These animals, he totally loves this and he plays with this every day. These are still the same, we just cleaned them up, like the toys and dress up stuff. And wooden cubes. Our music box, it looks pretty empty now, but we can fix that. I wanted to give him a little ukulele or something like that. His trains, he really likes to play with this, and they're still good. I took a lot of things from his kitchen box, but we kept these ones that are really good quality and that he's still playing with. And these are his 3 trucks that are being used right now. He uses this one a lot. He plays with this one a lot. That's why it was so dirty, because he puts like dirt and stones and pebbles and stuff. And his Paw Patrol stuff, yeah, he loves that. And this one, he's been using it a lot too. So we're keeping it there. I don't really like that they're here, and you know, like, it doesn't allow this to come out really easily. But this is the space we have designed for him and his toys, so we don't have toys everywhere. I think it looks really nice. What do you guys think, huh? Look at that.
Let me know in the comments below, where do you keep your children's toys? Are they different places that you keep them, or you just keep them in one place?
Sleep, and you're colder, much colder.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.
Don't you know that